Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set up a grocery shopping list in Airtable, the 2025 edition. First things first, let's open up Airtable and create a new base. We're creating a new base to ensure that our grocery list is independent and doesn't interfere with any other data you might have in Airtable. You can name it something simple like grocery shopping. Now that we've done that, let's create a new table and name it Items. This table will be the main area where we list all the items that we need to buy from the grocery store. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place to manage and monitor our grocery list. Next up, let's add some fields to our Items table. The first field we'll add is Item Name. This is a simple text field where we'll enter the name of each grocery item. This helps us because it gives us a clear view of what we need to buy. After the item name, let's create another field and name it Quantity. This will be a number field where we'll enter the quantity of each item that we need. It's important as it helps us avoid buying too much or too little of any item. Our third field will be Category. This is a drop-down field where we'll categorize our items like fruits, vegetables, dairy, and so on. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By categorizing items, we can easily sort and filter our list, making our shopping trip more efficient. Now, we add one final field, Purchased. This is a checkbox field that we'll use to mark off items once we've purchased them. This helps us because it gives us a simple way to track what we've already bought and what's still left to buy. All right, now that we have our fields set up, it's time to start adding items to our list. Simply enter the name, quantity, and category of each item, and you're good to go. And remember, once you buy an item, don't forget to check the purchased box. This will help us keep our list up to date and prevent us from forgetting anything. And just like that, you've got your grocery shopping list set up in Airtable. Remember, the main purpose of this is to keep your shopping organized and efficient. So next time you're planning a trip to the grocery store, give this a try. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for joining us, and happy shopping.